The 2026 Apple TV is currently in the advanced engineering and validation stage under the speculative codename J355, with a target launch set for spring 2026. The device represents a major architectural overhaul designed to support local AI processing, positioning it as a dedicated edge AI node and microconsole within the Apple ecosystem. The core of this upgrade is the transition from the 5nm A15 Bionic to the 3nm A17 Pro chip TSMC N3B process. This shift provides higher transistor density and efficiency, essential for heavy workloads in a compact thermal envelope. The CPU features a 6-core architecture, 2 performance, 4 efficiency, delivering an estimated 30% increase in multi-core performance and 26% in single-core speed compared to the previous model. This performance overhead is largely reserved for background AI tasks, such as predictive caching and localized Siri processing. To support Apple Intelligence, the device will feature a 16-core neural engine capable of 35 TOPS, trillions of operations per second, representing a 121% increase over the A15 Bionic's 15.8 TOPS limit. This threshold is mandatory for running on-device generative AI models, including summarization and complex Siri intents, without cloud latency. Complementing this is a jump to 8 GB of unified memory, establishing a new hardware baseline for resident AI models. Graphics and gaming capabilities are being aggressively targeted to compete with entry-level consoles like the Xbox Series S. The device will utilize a 6-core Pro-class GPU, potentially binned to 5-core for yield efficiency, that supports hardware-accelerated ray tracing for realistic lighting in titles like Resident Evil 4 Remake. MetalFX upscaling will be used to upscale 1080p rendering to 4K output using the NPU, maintaining high frame rates without thermal throttling. To sustain this performance, the hardware is rumored to reintroduce a redesigned active cooling system or an advanced vapor chamber. Connectivity will be revolutionized by the debut of Apple's in-house N1 chip. This silicon brings Wi-Fi 7, 802.11b, support with 320 MHz channels and 4K QM, drastically reducing latency for game streaming and high bitrate local playback. The N1 chip also functions as a thread and Matter border router with enhanced range and integrates ultra-wideband (UWB) technology. UWB enables spatial presence detection to automatically switch user profiles based on proximity and allows for instant follow-me media handoff from other devices. Strategically, the spring 2026 release aligns with a broader Home OS push, likely debuting alongside a smart display, HomePad, and a new HomePod mini. The Apple TV will serve as the heavy-lifting compute node, potentially handling complex AI processing offloaded from the HomePad via the local network. The product lineup is expected to split into 2 tiers. The base model, estimated at $129 to $149, will feature a binned A17 Pro, 8 GB RAM, 128 GB storage, and Wi-Fi 7. The premium model, estimated at $169 to $199, will offer the full A17 Pro chip, 256 GB per 512 GB storage, and added connectivity options including gigabit Ethernet and Thread support.